Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and proximity, is anything but hospitable. What would happen if you spent just 5 seconds on this scorching, toxic planet? Let's find out. In this video, we'll explore the intense environment of Venus, the immediate effects on the human body, and why even a brief stay on this planet is incredibly dangerous. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, with a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with crushing pressure 92 times greater than Earth's. Venus is a hostile world. The combination of extreme heat, high pressure, and toxic atmosphere makes it one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system. To understand what 5 seconds on Venus would be like, we need to break down its environmental factors and their effects on the human. First, let's talk about the atmosphere. Venus's atmosphere is 96.5% carbon dioxide, with thick clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a greenhouse effect that traps heat. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is equivalent to the pressure found 900 meters underwater on Earth. This immense pressure would be the first thing to affect you. Within moments of exposure, the pressure would crush you, collapsing your lungs and other organs almost instantly. Next, let's consider the temperature. The average surface temperature on Venus is around 465 degrees Celsius. This is hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite Venus being farther from the Sun. The heat is intense enough to melt lead and would cause severe burns to any exposed skin within seconds. Even if you were wearing a protective suit, the heat would penetrate quickly, leading to fatal burns and heatstroke. Venus's atmosphere is not just hot and pressurized, it's also highly toxic. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid would be deadly. Sulfuric acid is highly corrosive. Inhaling it, even for a brief moment, would cause severe damage to your respiratory system. It would also corrode any materials not specifically designed to withstand such harsh chemicals. In just 5 seconds, the sulfuric acid would start to corrode your suit and skin, leading to rapid chemical burns. So, what would those 5 seconds on Venus be like? Let's put it all together. In less than a second, crush your body. Simultaneously, the extreme heat would begin to burn you, and the toxic atmosphere would attack any exposed skin and your respiratory system. You wouldn't survive even a fraction of those 5 seconds. The human body is simply not designed to withstand such extreme conditions. The experience would be brief but fatal. Despite these deadly conditions, Venus remains a target for scientific exploration. Why do we continue to study this hostile planet? Studying Venus helps us understand more about planetary atmospheres, climate change, and the potential for life on other planets. Missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe and ESA's Venus Express have provided valuable data. Venus's extreme conditions offer a natural laboratory for studying greenhouse effects and atmospheric dynamics, which can also teach us about Earth's future. Spending 5 seconds on Venus would be a fatal experience, highlighting just how unique and precious our own planet is. While Venus may not be a place for humans to visit, it continues to be a source of invaluable scientific knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Venus. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content about our universe. Stay curious and keep exploring.